Hi everyone. We have the seventh lesson for AP and GP sequence and series. Want to find the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence. The sequence is 1, 2, 4, 8, and it continues infinitely. But the thing is, we are not told if it is an AP or a GP. This one is a very serious concern for some students. Some students know all the formulas for AP and GP, but they cannot tell if this one is an AP or a GP, and it is not safe for them. How do we know that this one is an AP? AP is about having a constant value by addition or subtraction. GP is by having a constant value by multiplication or division. Let us see. But the first thing you try is for AP. Now see, 2 minus 1, I'm using first this. Try the minus before the plus. Yeah, again, try the multiplication before the division. Let's try the minus. This way, we always go this way. 2 minus 1 is what is 1. Don't accept 1 to be the common. Don't accept it to be what an AP or GP. It has to be consistent. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we don't have a fixed number by subtraction. Yeah. So once you don't have a fixed number, don't even try this one. It means it is not an AP. Let us try, okay, I'm sorry. Here, try the division before the multiplication. Let us try for GP. 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 is 1. Sorry, it's 2. I'm very sorry. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 2. So by division, we have a constant value. So that means this one is a GP. It is a GP. So meaning if we are to apply any formula, it has to be a GP. So we want to find the sum of the first 20 terms. But for GP, it is unlike the AP. AP, the sum of the first n terms is n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. But for GP, we have 2. We have a into r to the n minus 1 over r to the n minus 1. Basically, r minus 1. So r minus 1. The order here is what you take here. The only difference is n, no n. We have another one that says a into 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r to the n. So 1 minus r. Ask yourself this question. R and 1, which one comes first? R comes first. So use this if R is greater than 1. 1 and R, which one comes first? It is 1. Use this when 1 is greater than R. I hope it is clear. Okay, so let's go here. What is A? A is the first term. So because this one is a GP, we don't think of common difference. We think of common ratio. And common ratio is R. How do we find common ratio? A particular term divided by the preceding term. What do I mean by the preceding? The previous. What is the second term? Is 2. Divided by the first term is 1. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. Now this R we have, this is our R. How do you compare it with 1? Is it greater than 1 or less than 1? 2. How do you compare 2? 2 is our R. Is it greater than 1 or less than 1? It is greater than 1. So are we using this or we are using this? It's obvious that we are using this because it is here R, which is our 2, is greater than 1. This is the formula we use. You need to find a way to master the formula. We don't use this because it is not an AP, it's a GP. GP has 2 formulas for what? For sum, but AP has only 1. So we say the sum, generally, the sum of the first n terms for a GP is a into, for r, this r is greater than 1. Do not forget. So because r is greater, you start with r. R to the n minus 1, r minus 1. Why? Because r is greater than 1. Is greater than 1. So, okay. So, how many times do you want to find? First 10 times. So, n is 10. Yeah, n is 10 because we need the first 10 times. So, 10 is replacing n. This is a. What is a? 1. What is r? R is 2. To the power n. What is n? 10 minus 1. What is r again? Is 2 minus 1. 1 multiplied by any value is the value itself. So 1 is like, we don't, it doesn't affect anything. So let's say 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Is 1024 minus 1. Forget about 1. Because when we multiply 1 by any value, it's the value itself. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1024 minus 1 is 1023. Divided by 1 will not make any difference. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the YouTube as well. See my next video.